Hey guys, Trevor here to walk you through how to best use the video conference lighting kit. When you open the box, you'll notice that everything comes pretty nice and put together, so there's no assembly required. First, we'll start with some manual controls and how to use the actual video conference light itself. To turn the light on, find the blue button on the side and hold it for 3 seconds. Once your light turns on, you will also notice that the LCD screen on back will turn on. This is your control panel for looking at your brightness setting and your color temperature setting, but also the battery life. To adjust the color temperature, simply press the blue button on the side and you'll see a little pointer is aiming at the color temperature section. Push the adjustment dial up to make it more of a white light and push the adjustment dial down to make it more of a warm or orange light. To adjust the brightness of your video conference light, press the blue button on the side, press the adjustment dial up to increase brightness up to 100%, and press it down to decrease brightness down to 1%. Knowing that this light would be used for video conferencing, we wanted to make it as soft and easy to look at as possible. So what we did, we overlaid a frosted diffused lens on the light itself, and we also included a separate add-on diffuser to make it even more soft. Adding on the diffuser is very simple. You simply slide it over the front of your light and make sure that the adjustment dials line up with the opening on the diffuser. If you take a look at the control screen on back, you'll notice that as you adjust brightness, your battery indicator will also change. The lower the brightness, the longer the light will last. The video conference light will last about 1.2 hours on full power and 14 hours on low power. However, if you do need it for longer durations, you can leave it plugged in and charging indefinitely. Which brings me to my next topic, charging. To recharge your video conference light, simply locate the USB-C recharge port on the side of the light and use the provided USB-C charging cable to charge it up. Once charging, the LCD control screen will reflect this by showing a battery indicator and the percent of charge you're sitting at. Keep in mind it generally takes 1.8 hours to fully charge your video conference light from 0 up to 100%, and for optimal battery health, be sure to unplug once your light is fully charged. The provided cable is a USB-A to USB-C charging cable. However, if you want to charge USB-C to USB-C, you can use the USB-A to USB-C adapter. You simply plug in the USB-A section of the charging cable into the port, and now you can use the USB-C section of the adapter into your laptop and charge your video conference lighting kit indefinitely. Now that we know how to use the light, let's get into mounting the video conference lighting kit to your computer. The video conference light has 2 ¼ threads for mounting, one on bottom and one on side, allowing you to mount your light horizontally or vertically. Today, I will be mounting it horizontally. You can start by screwing the suction cup onto your video conference light. Once you've found the desired direction that you want your light to shine, you can use the tension disc just below, spin it counterclockwise until it tightens on the light. Now that your panel mini is attached to the suction cup, we can mount it to the computer. I'm using a MacBook Pro, but you can mount your video conference light to any device with a flat surface. So first, before you mount, make sure that your device is clean and dust-free. Then you want to find the location that you'll be mounting your light to. I like to do it off-center of the camera, right here on the corner of my computer. First, you want to lift up the latch, compress the suction cup, and while it is compressed, you will close the latch shut. Now, here are some things you'll want to avoid when mounting your light to your computer. The first thing you'll want to avoid is mounting it on the edge of your computer. If you mount your suction cup on the edge, it will not have a strong hold and may result in it falling off. The second thing that you'll want to avoid is closing this latch before your suction cup is compressed. You will want to make sure you fully push down your suction cup and close the latch while it's fully compressed. Now you should have your video conference lighting kit fully mounted to your computer and be ready to go. Once you open up your video conferencing software, take a look at how you appear on the screen and fine-tune your brightness and color temperature adjustments like we talked about earlier in this video. Now when it's time to remove your video conference lighting kit from your computer, you will simply lift up the latch and use this tab to take it off like so. Now, if you don't have a flat surface to mount to, or you want to mess around with some off-camera mounting options, you can use our tabletop stand. The stand is great for if you want to get your light up above your computer or off to the side. This is also great if you're wearing glasses and want to reduce the glare on those glasses from your lighting. Once you have your tabletop stand, you can start by opening the legs. Once your legs are open, you will use this disc to lock them into place. Just be sure that the tension disc is blocking the leg from collapsing, and they will stay locked into place. Once your legs are locked, you can adjust the height of the stand simply by pulling up on the ball head, and you can find the height that works best for you. The last step is mounting your video conference light to the tabletop stand using one of the 1/4-20 threads we talked about earlier. Then you can adjust the ball head to find the desired angle that you're going for. Thank you guys for watching. We hope this helped you get a better understanding of the video conference lighting kit and how to use it.